Imagine a future where scientific breakthroughs turn the tide against life's most relentless foes, devastating diseases that rob people of their vitality and dreams. That's the bold vision driving Vertex Pharmaceuticals, and it's about to take center stage at a major global event. But here's where it gets intriguing. This isn't just another corporate chat, it's a glimpse into the minds shaping tomorrow's medicines. Vertex Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, NASDAQ, VRTX, has just revealed that key leaders will join Citi's 2025 Global Healthcare Conference. On Wednesday, December 3, 2025, starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Charlie Wagner, the Chief Operating and Financial Officer, and David Altshuler, the Chief Scientific Officer, will engage in a fireside chat, that cozy, conversational format where insights flow freely. And this is the part most people miss. For those who can't attend in person, Vertex is making it accessible worldwide. A live webcast of the discussion will be streamed directly on their website, www.vrtx.com, tucked under the Investors section in News and Events. Plus, don't worry if you miss it live, a replay will be archived right there on the site, so you can catch up anytime. Now, let's talk about what makes Vertex tick. Founded back in 1989, this global biotechnology powerhouse is all about funneling resources into groundbreaking science to develop life-changing treatments for severe illnesses. Picture this, they've already brought approved therapies to market for conditions like cystic fibrosis, a genetic disorder that clogs the lungs and pancreas with thick mucus, making every breath a struggle, sickle cell disease, which warps red blood cells and causes excruciating pain, transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia, a blood disorder requiring frequent transfusions, and even acute pain management. To help beginners grasp this, think of these as targeted interventions that address the root causes, not just symptoms, offering hope where traditional medicine often falls short. Vertex isn't resting on these laurels. They're pushing forward with active clinical trials and research in these same areas, while building a strong pipeline of experimental treatments using various approaches. This includes tackling other tough conditions where the company has deep expertise in the underlying biology, such as neuropathic pain, that persistent, nerve-damaging agony from conditions like diabetes, APOL1-mediated kidney disease, a genetic risk factor accelerating kidney failure, IgA nephropathy, an autoimmune attack on the kidneys, primary membranous nephropathy, another kidney issue involving antibodies, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, fluid-filled cysts ballooning the kidneys, type 1 diabetes, where the immune system destroys insulin-producing cells, and myotonic dystrophy type 1, a muscular disorder causing weakness and stiffness. For context, these aren't minor ailments, they're complex, often hereditary, and can lead to organ failure or lifelong disability, making Vertex's work in causal human biology a game-changer. Headquartered in Boston with an international base in London, Vertex spans the globe with research hubs, development centers, and sales offices across North America, Europe, Australia, Latin America, and the Middle East. And get this, they're not just innovators, they're a magnet for talent, earning spots on Science Magazine's top employers list for 16 straight years and Fortune's 100 best companies to work for. It's a testament to their culture of excellence. But here's the controversial twist: in an industry where life-saving drugs can cost patients and insurers hundreds of thousands a year, is Vertex's focus on rare diseases equitable, or does it prioritize profits over accessibility? Some argue that such high prices limit who can afford these miracles, sparking debates on pharmaceutical ethics. What if, counterpoint, these investments in innovation are what drive the breakthroughs that eventually lower costs through competition? It's a thorny topic that divides opinions. For the latest on Vertex's journey of discovery, head over to www.vrtx.com or connect with them on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or X. What are your thoughts? Do you believe the high costs of biotech breakthroughs are justified for the lives saved, or should there be more focus on making treatments affordable for all? Share your views in the comments, I'd love to hear differing perspectives.